Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. We post videos every single day for you guys. Post videos on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays, and even on Saturdays and Sundays we post videos every day. All right, today I'll show you how you can make $10 to $20 every single day. How to make $10 to $20 every single day. Please make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't skip any parts. Make sure you watch this video to the end and don't skip any part. Alright, so let's get started. Get your pen, paper, and write down these very important steps. Make sure you have your pen, paper, and write down these important steps. Number one, get a smartphone. This works for both Android phones and also works on iPhones. So get a smartphone. That is the first step. And then step 2, you go to Apple Store. If you're using an iPhone, go to Apple Store, already installed in your phone, or you can as well go to Google Play Store for Android users. If you're using an Android phone, go to Google Play Store already installed in your phone. Now the next step is to download an application from Google Play Store or Apple Store. There's an application that you download from Google Play Store or Apple Store, and then you download Kiki Time app. Is an application that you download. The name is Kiki Time. So you search for Kiki Time on your Google Play Store or App Store. Kiki Time is an application that allows you to post an article for $1 to $2 per post. You make $1 to $2 per post. Also, you make sure that the article or the post, the article is up to 300 to 400 words per post. That article is up to 300 to 400 words. If it's not up to that, you will be paid $0.25 to $0.8 per post if it's not to 300 words. You'll be required to upload a picture as the background. That is, after writing 300 words, you'll be required to upload a picture as the background. You'll be allowed to make a maximum of 10 posts per day. 10 posts per day. That's for each day you make 10 posts as a maximum. If you're paid $1 per post, you get $10 for 10 posts. You can also make $2 per post, making it a total of $20 for 10 posts every day. So you can make $10 or $20 per day every day. I'll show you how to make $2 on every post you make in the next video. If you've watched to this extent, I'll show you how to make $2 on every post. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bells.